floor agad. Jet Manuel, Diego Dario, Paul Desiderio, Renzi.
Oh, itong si Aroga, makipapapansin na. Their force NU Bulldogs for committing 3 turnovers.
At the elbow, guarded by Harris. Harris. Ang laki ng labang ni Aroga doon.
Oh, height advantage, speed advantage. Itong si Aroga against Harris. That time he took advantage of it.
University.
Must
Panalo
win.
to.
Yes, it's a must win for them.
Jaron Lim running. Jaron Lim almost lost it with a left hand. Wala. The tip in by Harris is good.
Good follow-up by Harris. Talagang huwag kang kukumpiyansa if your team is wide open for that layup.
And you Haboneta. Catch and shoot. Dave Moralde. Yes.
Good setup play by the Maroons. Ganda lang pagkakapick kay Moralde for that wide open jumper.
NU shooting 31% from the field. Kyle Napes, leading scorer ng Bulldogs with 4.
Advise them to play hard and play smart. More from the UP side later on, Eric and Renran.
Thank you, Nina. Courtside moment from Copico 78, Copico's best latte ever. How does it feel somebody like Jimmy Alipag comes to 6? Ang NU all of a sudden in the second quarter, 0 for 6. Well, before that shot, 1 for 7 na ang UP.
Okay, that's a veteran for you. Itong si Jello Alino, katulad ng sinabi mo, when he entered that ball game.
Taken away by Javelona. Here's Javillonar. Oh, got a foul and a basket as well.
Strong, hard drive by Javillonar. That time he get that. He felt he was fouled. Pero walang tinawag ng referee. Diego Dario come up with a jumper on the other end.
And UP takes the lead, 29-28.
That's why, pag kunwari...
Apat. Nakakasali ngayon. Usually, mga tatlo, dalawa lang eh, no?
oh.
Third quarter underway mula sa Javelona. 3-on-3 break here. Oh, Dario blowing by 3 Bulldogs, Renren.
Wow, what a move by for Dario.
Salim spinning. Wow, what a plethora of moves para kay Med Salim.
Is he a guard? Di ba he's a forward who can bring down the ball and turn around and uses his offhand for the feed?
So really a very tight race as we are about to...
Nakapag-ensayo.
He looks to be in game form today. Here's Alolino from the outside. Yes, that's a long... No, sorry, that's a 3. Jello Alolino, 12 points.
Zelda making that happen. Alolino for that wide open.
Lane violation or a lane violation sa free throw just to make sure na babalik sa kanila yung bola.
No, yan.
Amar with a basket after a steal.
Naka-help kaagad si Kone.
Ngayon sa labas, tumira si Zelda. And he seems to be in a zone right now. Kundi sa loob, sa labas na lang, ayaw niya papasukin eh.
Oo, nasupal pala ako kanina. Ito ngayon sa deep.
Pisado na yan eh. No?
Parang kontra-tiyempo eh.
Amar, oh nice spin against Napes, Augustini. Amar.
He has his own version of his turnaround shot. Ito si Amar. Alolino, 14 points.
Importante para sa parehong koponan. Mathematically nga, pareho may chance. Mas malaki nga lang ang possibility for NU as they are front line para sa Fighting Maroons. Alolino.
Ang gandang backdoor. Oh, good backdoor by Jello Alolino. Eye contact between
Manuel. Nice drive with a left hand. Puts it in.
Good aggressive drive by Jet Manuel.
Aroga working his way inside. Great move.
That's a power move by Aroga.
Kone had no chance and no double team chances here para sa Fighting Maroons. Desiderio spinning. That's good.
Good take by Desiderio, recognizing alat sila sa 3 points. Take that basket.
UP. And Asilum with a steal. Asilum. Teardrop is good. Oh, what a tough shot with Aroga right there. Di mo alam kung susugod sa'yo. Hindi.
Yes. Ganda talaga ng mga floaters na ganun.
Alolino for 3. Oh, wow. 26 points, Jello Alolino.
Big time players gets big time shots. Right now, Jello Alolino, katulad na sinabi natin. So, medyo kinapos talaga sila ng game na to.
That's the final score, 75-69. NU versus UP.